Assalamu alaykum. Karibuni tena. Welcome again. Welcome back to another video. Now, this is another video where we will learn another new Swahili question word. Now, stay tuned and we will be right back. Alright, now, in this video, we will learn a new Swahili question word. Now, this word is very tricky and there is a lot more involved and there is a lot more you need to know about this word that we will not be able, unfortunately, to cover all of that in this video series, okay? So, as a beginner, as a starter, in this course, I will just give you a few things about this word, but keep in mind there is a lot more into understanding meanings and the uses of this particular word, okay? Now, this word today that we'll be learning is Ngapi. 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 Ngapi means how many, okay? How many, okay? Ngapi. But there are quite a few things that you need to understand about this word. One thing that you need to know as a beginner is that when you use this word, you always need to know about the object that you are asking for, okay? The particular object that you are asking for, that you need to know the quantity, okay? Since this question word is about quantity, how many, okay? Or it can also be translated as how much, okay? But you need to know something about the object that you are asking for, okay? Now, what do you need to know about the object that you are asking for? You need to know under which noun class that object falls into, okay? Because that plays part into how you use the word Ngapi, okay? Because sometimes the word Ngapi is only a suffix. There is always a prefix before the word itself, okay? Sometimes, okay? So knowing the noun class of the particular object will help you identify what prefix you need to use before the word Ngapi, okay? In order to be fluent, okay? Now, like I said, we will not be able to cover everything in this video series, but that is something you need to keep in mind that you would want to know. And another thing is that you also need to know the singular and the plural of the object that you want to know the quantity, okay? I will give you examples, okay? There are some words that stays or remain the same in both singular and plural form, and there are some words or some nouns that changes, okay, in singular and plural forms, okay? One of the words that remains the same is the word nyumba, okay? Nyumba, nyumba, which I'm sure we have seen this word in previous videos. Nyumba means a house, okay? Nyumba means a house, but in plural form, the word nyumba stays the same, okay? Nyumba may also mean houses, okay? So this particular word stays the same, okay? Now for these kind of words, the word Ngapi is used as it is, okay? So I may ask, for example, I may ask, hapa kuna nyumba ngapi? Hapa kuna nyumba ngapi? Hapa kuna nyumba ngapi? Okay, which means how many houses are here? Okay, how many houses are here? Okay, hapa kuna nyumba ngapi? Now you can see the word houses is nyumba in Swahili, okay? Here the word nyumba is in plural form, okay? But it also stays the same in singular form, okay? So when you want to ask how many, you just use the word ngapi, okay? As it is, okay? Nyumba ngapi. How many houses, okay? Nyumba ngapi, okay? Now another example of this nature, okay, is the word shule. Shule, okay? Shule means a school, but it can also be in plural form, which also means schools, okay? Now, if you want to ask like how many schools are here, I may say, hapa kuna shule ngapi? Hapa kuna shule ngapi? Hapa kuna shule ngapi? Now you can see the word shule, which means schools, remains the same, okay? How many schools are here, okay? So for the words, for the nouns that remain the same in both singular and plural form, you can use the word ngapi as it is, okay? Ngapi. But there are nouns that change, okay? These nouns change in singular form and in plural form. Now, knowing noun classes of these nouns will help you identify the plural form and the singular form of that particular noun, and then it will help you identify the prefix of the word ngapi. Okay, I'll give you examples. Now let's take a look at a noun class mawa. Okay, now for an example, the word mwanafunzi. Mwanafunzi, mwanafunzi, mwanafunzi means a student. Now, this word is under the mawa noun class. In plural form, mwanafunzi becomes wanafunzi. Okay? Wanafunzi. We replace the ma with the wa. Wanafunzi. Okay, becomes students, okay? Now, if you want to ask how many students are here, in Swahili, you would say, hapa kuna wanafunzi wangapi? Aha, now you can see the word ngapi changes, okay? There is a prefix before the word ngapi, and that is wa, okay? Ngapi became wa, ngapi, wangapi. This is because the noun class, the noun that we are asking about is under the mawa noun class, okay? Mwanafunzi in singular form, wanafunzi in plural form. Now, because this particular noun is under the mawa noun class, when we ask how many, we add the prefix wa. So Ngapi becomes wangapi. Hapa kuna wanafunzi wangapi. Okay, so now here the word Ngapi becomes wangapi, because now we know the noun class of the noun that we are asking about. Okay, and that's why I said before, it's important for you to know and understand noun classes of these nouns. That will help you know how to use the word Ngapi. Okay, whether the word Ngapi should remain as it is, or should there be a prefix added to it. Okay, because these prefixes change based on the noun class of the object we are asking about. Okay, hapa kuna wanafunzi wangapi, which means how many students are here. Okay, so this is one example of the mawa noun class. All right, now another example is a noun under the jima noun class. Jima noun class. Now, I'll give you one word. The word jicho. 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 Which means an eye in singular form. Okay? In plural form, macho. 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 I'm sure we already learned about this word in previous videos. I can't remember which video, but I'm sure we already learned about this word. Now, if you want to ask how many eyes does a person have, okay? How many eyes does a person have, okay? In Swahili, you would say mtu ana macho mangapi. Mtu ana macho mangapi. Mtu ana macho mangapi. Now you can see the word ngapi has a prefix ma, okay? In previous example, we've seen the word ngapi has a prefix wa. Here, in this example, the word ngapi has a prefix ma, okay? Mangapi. This is because of the nature of the noun class that the noun we are referring to falls in, okay? So it's important to know and identify which noun class this particular noun that I want to ask falls into, okay? It's very good to know these noun classes, okay? It will help you know how to use the word ngapi. Mtu ana macho mangapi. How many eyes does a person have? Okay? Mtu ana macho mangapi. Okay? So this is how you use the word ngapi and how you add a prefix to it depending on the noun class. Okay? So this is it in this video. I just wanted to introduce to you this particular question word, but there is a lot more to learn about this word. I may make a different video just for this. We will see, but this is how you use the word and what it means. I hope you learned something new, something interesting. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't wait. Go ahead click there, subscribe, like and share the video. There is a lot more coming to this channel and you don't want to miss. If you want to become fluent in speaking Swahili, this is where you should be. So go ahead and click subscribe and I'll see you in the next class. Kwaheri.